Hello, little stars. Are you ready to learn and play?
Let's take a look in my beach bag. Look what I've got. A towel. Look how big my towel is. That will keep me nice and warm for after I've gone paddling. What's in my bag? It's a hat. This is a hat, a sun hat. It will keep the sun out of my eyes. What's next? Something very important. Sun cream. It's always really important to put sun cream on. Do you know how to put sun cream on? We spray it on hard and we rub it in. Now I won't burn. Water. It's always good to stay hydrated. Drinking lots of water makes our body feel good. What's next? A ball! Look at my ball! My ball is blue and orange. And we can't forget our bucket and spade! Are we going to make sandcastles together?
Goodbye, little stars. You shined so bright. See you next time.